Elevate your technical writing on Substack by mastering the art of the code block. First, navigate to your Substack post editor, where you want to insert your code. Once the content block menu appears, you'll see various options for adding different elements to your post. Look for the code block option. Clicking this will insert a dedicated space for your code snippet. You'll notice the code block has a unique background and styling, indicating it's ready to receive your code. Now, simply begin typing or paste your code directly into this block. Substack automatically handles the formatting, ensuring each line aligns perfectly. As you can see, indentation is maintained, and the visual structure of your code remains intact, making it incredibly easy for your readers to follow. This makes your explanations clearer, especially for complex algorithms, configuration files, or example scripts. When you preview your post, the code block will appear with its dedicated styling, clearly separated from your regular text. This professional presentation significantly enhances the readability and credibility of your technical content for developers and tech enthusiasts. Once published, your code will be presented in a clean, highlighted, and easy-to-read format, making your Substack articles shine for any technical audience.